I wouldn't know what to do with one if I caught it, uh-huh. Oh my gosh, uh-huh. Well, welcome to GTA, everybody, uh-huh. It's Mickey Mouse, uh-huh. You wanna know what I'm doing? I'm taking a condom and filling it with water and then throwing it in my neighbor's driveway, uh-huh. I don't know if I want to. Oh, I'll play with Starsky, uh-huh. What's up? Mickey Mouse has been around since you were 2 years old, buddy. Show me some respect, uh-huh. You know what? Just for that, I'm choosing compacts, uh-huh. Starsky ruined it for everybody, uh-huh. Did it now! Did it, uh-huh. Oh my gosh, uh-huh. My guy looks like a black Willy Wonka, uh-huh. Oh. No, that's not what I wanted to do, uh-huh. Tell me, how long have you two been dating, uh-huh? Oh my god, uh-huh. Oh. Oh. I'm more of a troll than Vanoss Gaming, uh-huh. Ah. Oh my god, uh-huh. I'm almost there, I'm gonna win, uh-huh. Ah. I'm in, uh-huh. Get wrecked, kid, uh-huh. I'll wreck you, mate, uh-huh. You wanna wreck? You wanna try and kick my ass? I'm fucking Mickey Mouse, uh-huh. Do I watch your what? I don't watch porn. You're... I actually have never seen that video, huh? You don't laugh after every sentence either, uh-huh. Oh my god.
Hey, kids!
Hey kids, you want to see a quarter kilo of cocaine? Uh-huh. watching TV, It's because every time your kids turn on the television, I'm mind screwing them, and I'm getting you to pay me cable money for it, I need those gumdrop buttons. Guess who finished in second, bitch? Oh my gosh. You know you love me, you know you care, shall never, I was there, never be alone, and I was like, baby, baby, oh, oh. Well, after all, my van does say free candy, Oh. Well, guys, I'm gonna end the video here, It was enriching, dog, and thank you for watching, Bye!